Hi, it's Steve Stokes with REMAX Realty Team, Cape Coral Yacht Club today. Just beautiful. Started in around 1960. Two brothers, Leonard and Jack Rawson. They started it all. You can see that there are boat slips here, but even though it's a public area, the boat slips are private. There's good security here, there's cameras, and it really does a great way of separating the public from the private community in this area. Of course, there's a public slip right here where you can bring your boat in and launch it. And a lot of people don't realize that here in Cape Coral, we have a beach. We've got this beautiful white sand beach right here at the Cape Coral Yacht Club. It's a real hidden gem. Let's go have a look. Lots of people out today enjoying it. You can see that super clean white sand. Not overcrowded, just right. Of course, the yacht club also has the boathouse, the famous bar and grill. Great place to go for a bite to eat, or a drink, family or friends. And on the back of that, you can actually sit out in the sand and enjoy your lunch if you want. I'll take it in the beautiful view of the Coxsahachie River. Just look at that. Another beautiful day here in Cape Coral. Walk this pier all the way to the end. And let's have another look at that beach. There it is. Wonderful. Of course, the yacht club is a public community, so it has some great tennis courts, some handball courts. Nobody playing tennis here today. And it has a pool with staffed lifeguards. Check it out. A couple of people today soaking it up. Let's take a look at the houses in the area, and where else to start but Dolphin Drive. These houses are right on the water. You're going to notice a mix of older homes, renovated homes, and some brand new constructions where they just bought the property, tore down the house, and built their dream home. Here's a couple of people just riding their bikes. Be careful not to hit them here. Hey guys. You can really see the diversity in the homes. It's all about the land here in the yacht club area. Of course, in the yacht club area, we have, like I say, a big diversity. A lot of the older original homes, like that one in there we're just passing, they were built in the 60s and 70s. But the land has become so important. The price of the property usually exceeds the price of the house. So in some cases, people buy the property and just tear the house down. In other cases, they'll just renovate it, make it into something a bit more updated. These are great areas for renting. If you want to do a vacation rental property, this is a great area for that. Close to the yacht club itself. And of course, right in your backyard, you're right on the water. You really get to see a nice mix of homes here. Again, some of those older style homes, and then bam, newer constructions just blended right in. Another nice one there. Safe neighborhood too. Just really clean, great place to live. There's an unusual one, a bit modern. Anything goes here in Yacht Club area. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Contact me anytime by text message. I can send you a free map. We can talk about some properties that may work for you. Just a couple of shots of the Yacht Club area. One of the most popular areas to purchase properties in Cape Coral. Thanks again. Feel free to reach out if I can answer any questions. Have a great day.